Hello guys. It's nice to see you again. I am super happy to be your teacher this year. This year I will give you the class reading, writing, and vocabulary. Okay? You will have a different teacher for grammar. I will be in charge of this class specifically. So for the ones that don't know me, my name is Alessandra. Welcome. You know, I like to have fun in class and I like you to talk and I like you to produce a language. Let's just see some points. First of all, this is going to be your Reading Explorer book. This is the one that we are going to be using. This book is rented, so I need you never ever to write on this book. You're going to use your binder and you're going to write the answers of all the exercises that we do here. Please, I will ask you to have your material ready. For every class we have, we're going to be using Zoom, as you know. The link for you to enter to the Zoom session is on your guides. Also remember always to be responsible with your homework, with your tutorials, with your material for all of the classes that we have. Ask. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Don't be afraid, don't be shy. You can ask me whatever you want. Be punctual because you know that the Zoom session goes really quickly. And lastly, have fun. So this is the schedule that you're going to have with my class specifically. We're going to have 2 periods. On Monday, you're going to do the tutorial or classroom activity. Okay, you will enter 2 classroom, 2 reading, writing, and vocabulary. And on Thursday, we will have the Zoom session. Just to be clear, these will be our 2 days of the week. So I will leave you for now and I will see you on the Zoom session on Thursday. If you have any further question, you know you can reach me. You can write on Classroom and I will answer you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day and welcome back to school.